In Thailand, tree trunks in parks and forest edges are being wrapped with belts made from coconut husk, a quiet, water-saving invention inspired by local traditions. These fibrous bands are not decorative. They're designed to collect early morning dew and channel it downward through small grooves carved into the material. The captured moisture is then gently guided into tiny stone or bamboo basins placed at the base of each tree. These basins are specially positioned to serve birds, squirrels, and other small creatures that frequent the area. In times of dryness, especially during Thailand's hot seasons, these dew stations provide a crucial sip for urban and wild fauna alike. Coconut husk is a natural choice. It's biodegradable, moisture-absorbent, and easily sourced from agricultural waste, turning an everyday item into a life-giving fabric. The belts are crafted by community groups, including school children and local artisans, as part of environmental education efforts. They're secured loosely to allow tree growth and ensure no damage to the bark, while their rough texture also deters ants from climbing the trees. An added ecological benefit. This low-tech, high-impact solution marries traditional materials with modern conservation thinking. It reflects Thailand's broader commitment to biodiversity support in urban and semi-rural landscapes, where cohabitation between humans and wildlife is still possible with a bit of care and creativity.